Assalamu alaikum. So in the Proteus tutorial, instead of using PIC18F4580 microcontroller, this time we are using PIC18F45K80 microcontroller. So when you click pick from library, type 18F45K80. So you'll get this microcontroller. So add this one, double click, it will be added here in the device list. Okay, so if you have already built the schematic diagram, you can simply click on the K version and then click here in the center, and if you click here it will ask replace component. Otherwise, if you are starting as a new design, if you are starting with a new design, a blank design, start with this microcontroller, the PIC18F45K80 microcontroller. So all the connections are same except this one. Once again you have to connect to RA5. So the first input pin on the resistor connected on RA0, capacitor connected and potentiometer connected on RA5, LED is connected on RD0 to RD3. So even here when you create a new project, instead of selecting PIC18F4580 microcontroller, this time select PIC18F45K80 microcontroller, the one that you see here, the K80 microcontroller. Okay, and write the same code as it was given there in the tutorial. So we write the same code once again. Build project, project settings. So the processor, it says U1, 18F45K80 microcontroller U1. It must be the same processor that you see here, U1. Once again, you should have a resistor connected to the power supply on the MCLR pin. So we go to the terminals mode, select power, okay, let's go back to the component mode and source code. So you can either click on this button to upload, or you can go here debug and you can say run simulation. So when you run the simulation, it goes here automatically and you can find the program is running and you can see the data here on the LEDs. Okay, let's try once again. Let's change, build it again and debug, run simulation, and you can see the data is 4 here. 100 is 4 in binary.